Hey everyone, welcome back to this special edition of the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again, talking about weather. And the cold temperatures are definitely here, but also the auroras. Did you get a chance to see those Friday night? What a spectacular display they put on. Hopefully I'll have a photograph to share with you tomorrow night on the Fairbanks Evening News. Right now, let's talk about weather and the numbers for these for today and for the normal time. Our normal high is 7 degrees. Today's high was not quite that warm. The overnight low should be around 14 below. Of course, tonight's low is going to be close to 40 below. Record high 39, 1980, record low 50 below in 1936, sunrise and sunset. Exactly 8 hours of daylight, a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. Here's our satellite radar. As you can see, not a whole lot going on. In fact, most of the state is just about cloud-free, just some mid-level clouds over the eastern side of the state, a little bit of down around the Kodiak Island area, and that's it. Not a whole lot going on. Across the state, here's what it looks like as far as numbers go, and you can see 30 degrees at Ketchikan, snow breaking out around the Kodiak Island area, but look at all the sunshine, clear skies over the entire state for the most part. Clear skies up at Barrow, 6 degrees there, and 27 below at Fort Yukon. Lower 48 weather, here's what it looks like today. Lots of rain falling across the Pacific Northwest. Cold temperatures continue across the northern plains. Rain and snow activity across the Dallas-Fort Worth area, all because of a storm system that's moving rapidly across that area. You can see these storms just kind of lining up, moving across west to east, and it's all because the jet stream, once again, is bringing all that moisture in from the Pacific Ocean. Rain expected to break out again over the San Francisco Bay Area, and that's good because they'll be going through a really bad drought, so they can definitely use the moisture. The overall outlook for this week is again calling for a big dip down to the south, helping to bring that cold air in. That's what's causing the rain and snow over parts of Texas, and yet more rain expected across the Pacific Northwest as that jet stream transports all that moisture from the Pacific Ocean. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. In the northern sections, very cold in Fort Yukon. Snow expected at Barrow and cloudy skies for Nome. And over the interior, after the morning fog burns off, we should have lots of sunshine for Fairbanks, Healy, and Delta Junction. And temperatures still quite chilly, 10 below for the daytime high in the Fairbanks area. Over southeast Alaska, lots of wind around the Juneau area, and a weather advisory in effect for the Ketchikan area, expecting up to 4 inches of snow down there. Over to the southwest part of the state, it looks like for the most part clear skies in Bethel, snow showers in Cold Bay, and snow expected for the Kodiak Island regions also. And over the south central section, sunny skies in Anchorage and Homer, but just partly cloudy skies expected in Valdez. Okay, here's our forecast for tonight. And again, we're looking at, for the most part, some ice fog developing, clear and cold conditions otherwise. 36 below at the airport, but down to the 40 below temperature category around the low-lying areas. And some patchy ice fog, again, like I said, developing. Pretty good chance of that. Morning ice fog should burn off, leaving us with lots of sunshine and 10 degrees below zero. And our 5-day outlook, as you can see here, we're looking at, for the most part, cold temperatures to continue, a slight warming trend heading toward the latter part of this week. No precipitation in the forecast, and daytime highs, again, will be right around the teens below, but then warming up to the single digits below zero. So, like I said, a warming trend heading our way for the rest of the week. That's your weather for tonight. Back to you guys.